Hey guys, Anthony the Tech Guy 2004 here. You might know I don't talk much in my videos, but I hope you viewers are staying safe. Because I don't know how long COVID-19 will be going on. I never done a screen recording with an actual voice before. I done videos back then with an actual voice. So, enjoy the video. So we are using Windows Server 2012. After that, I have 2 more Windows Server collections to go through. Yep, I would collect virtual machines on video, but in separate videos. Sorry about that noise. So, just loading files. There'll still be music in this video, but it'll be a bit lower. So, I might be time-lapsing on that part, so there won't be a voice. Unless if I edit it. Before I time-lapse, this VMware does have an easy install. So, I would talk after. I'll continue the speaking after the installation/time-lapse. I'm back, so music might be lower right now, but it's finishing things up. So you might see I'm using like stretch mode. Which is this button right here. never seen. Enjoy the time lapse again. Never mind, it just went faster than expected. So I might have to do xcopy .exe set hd.p. So wait, honestly, it's like the arrow light theme. Enjoy time up again. The screen resolution will adjust to 1920 by 1080. I sure hope it does. Unlike the Windows 8.1 and Windows 2000. So let's try to attempt. It could adjust to 1920 by 1080, which is my favorite screen resolution of all time. So, we'll see if it actually works. Awesome! Now, we'll see if Always Server Manager opening. So, we'll see if VMware Tools will install. First, let's close that out. Well, next video I may not talk much in my video, I might have all music. Oh, so Server Manager actually closed itself out. I even want that manager. Now we're trying to see if VMware Tools will install. I'm back. So, VMware Tools wouldn't install. It wouldn't install, but at least it can adjust to 1920 by 1080. That matters to me. I won't be using Unity mode as much. So thank you for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell, subscribe to my other channels, and share. I'll see you next video. Bye!